Hi guys, so today I want to share this chocolate cake recipe that I made for Thanksgiving. It was amazing and it was a huge hit. To start on the recipe, you're going to cream some butter, sugar, and vanilla together. You want to cream it until it's light and fluffy. Next, you're going to beat in a couple of eggs. Now once that's fluffy and smooth, you're going to go ahead and set it aside. Here in my big bowl, I have some cake flour, and to that I'm going to add some cocoa, some chocolate pudding mix, some baking soda, and salt. And I'm going to whisk these ingredients together until it's completely mixed. So now it's time to combine everything. We're going to go ahead and add in a cup of our dry ingredients, and then we're going to add some buttermilk. And then we're going to add a cup of our dry ingredients, and then we're going to add some more buttermilk. We're going to keep doing that until we have all our ingredients combined. Next, we're going to fold in some chocolate chips. So here in my tube pan, I have some parchment paper at the bottom, and I'm going to spray it very well with some nonstick cooking spray. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my cake batter. Now once you have your cake batter in, you want to kind of jiggle the pan so it can be nice and even. Next, we're going to pop it in the oven at 350 and let it bake for 60 to 70 minutes. And once it comes out, you want to let it cool for a bit before you remove it out of your pan. Now to make the chocolate ganache, you want to warm up some butter, water, and a little bit of vanilla in a saucepan. You just want to warm it up until the butter melts. You don't want to bring it to a boil or anything. And then once that's melted, you want to go ahead and whisk in some sifted cocoa powder, now once it's nice and smooth, you want to go ahead and start to whisk in your sifted powdered sugar. You want to make sure that your cocoa is sifted and your powdered sugar because you want to get this nice and smooth. Last, we're going to whisk in a little bit of heavy whipping cream. So now it's time to just watch this chocolate rain. Do you guys remember that song, Chocolate Rain, from a long time ago on YouTube? That's me telling my age and telling you guys how long I've actually been on YouTube. Chocolate Rain. I can't think of the rest of the song, but yeah. Anyways, you're going to drizzle on your chocolate ganache. Now if you're using a tube pan, you want to fill that hole with chocolate. You don't have to use a tube pan, but if you do, you want to fill that hole. I made this cake for Thanksgiving, and by the end of the night when it was time to cut the cake, I didn't have my camera out, I didn't have my lights out, so I really didn't get to get that money shot, and I'm so upset about it. But you guys, this cake is so chocolatey, it's decadent, it's amazing. Yum.